Hi, my fellow investor. So my 23rd of investing in M1 Finance is finally over. Can I get a like from you guys? I've been doing this for 23 weeks now, and I'm still going strong. So for you guys who are new to my channel, welcome to my M1 Finance investing portfolio. This is a dividend investing portfolio called Money Make. My pie consists of 85% stocks, 10% real estate, and 5% bonds. Alright, so I'm here to give you guys an update for this week. But before that, I'm going to show you how much I invested this week. This week, I invested $200. Alright, so let's go back to my portfolio. Alright, now it's time to see how I did this week. I know the market was up this first 3 days, but then it's slowly going down this last 2 days, Thursday and Friday. But okay, let's dive into my slices. Let's do stocks first, which consists 85% of my pie. And it looks like I'm up for my stocks, but we'll go to the slices individually. Let's start with my industrial, which consists 13% of my stock slice. It says 14.8 now. Last week, it used to be 15%, but I changed it to 13%. All right, let's go. For this week, Lockheed Martin gained $7.90, which is up 5.92%. Caterpillar, I gained $8.92, which is up 6.81%. Honeywell International, I gained $5, which is up 4.80%. General Dynamics, I gained $6.09, which is up 5.96%. UPS, I gained $2.81, which is up 3.10%. Raytheon Technology, I gained $5.19, which is up 7.52%. Waste Management, I gained $5.35, which is up 7.92%. This is nice. It looks like all my industrial stocks won this week, and my highest gain was from Waste Management, which is 7.92% return. So for this week, my industrial gained $41.26, which is up 5.91%. My earned dividends is 87 cents. Wow, this is a pretty good week for my industrial. Now let's go to my technology, which is 15% of my stocks slice. Wow, Nvidia actually lost this week. I lost $3.37, which is down 1.67%. Cisco, I gained $9.19, which is up 5.95%. IBM, I gained $8.34, which is up 5.50%. Skyworks, I gained $1.71, which is 1.30%. Microsoft, I lost 7 cents, which is whopping 0.13%. So pretty much it's a win for my tech this week, except Nvidia and Microsoft, which is not that bad. So my technology for this week, I gained $15.80, which is up 2.27%, and I did not earn any dividends. Alright, let's go to my consumer defensive. It says 14.1%, and actually the target is 10%. The reason why is last week this used to be 15%, but I decreased it to 10%. Let's go to my consumer defensive, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Costco, I gained $4.85, which is 1.99% return. PepsiCo, I gained $1.43, which is 0.82%. Procter & Gamble, my best performer this week, I gained $4.12, which is 2.95% return. Walmart, I lost 31 cents, which is down 0.22%. These stocks, this slice did pretty well too. Walmart is my only loss this week. My consumer defensive gained $10.09 this week, which is up 1.45%. I did not earn any dividends. Alright, so I know this is a dividend investing portfolio, but I added a no dividend, which consists 15% of my stocks slice, because I really want to have these stocks and I want to see how much they're going to grow in the future. We're going to save this for last. Let's go to my consumer cyclical. This used to be 10% of my stock slice. Now I changed it to 12%. This week, Home Depot gained $4.88, which is up 2.67%. McDonald's, I gained $2.96, which is up 1.72%. Lowe's, I gained $4.53, which is 6.61%. Well, that's the highest return I have for this week. Nike, I gained $3.57, which is up 5.29%. So it's all win for my consumer cyclical this week. I gained $15.94, which is up 3.24%. My earned dividends is $1.35. Alright, let's go to my finance, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. Goldman Sachs Group, I gained $11.38, which is 9.92%. Visa, I gained $2.64, which is up 2.30%. JP Morgan, I gained $8.01, which is up 8.76%. American Express, I gained $5.99, which is 6.43%. Royal Bank of Canada, I gained $4.54, which is 10.16%. This is my highest return from my finance this week. So it's a good thing though, all my finance stocks won this week. I gained $32.56, which is up 7.09% return, and my earned dividends is 80 cents. Now let's go to my healthcare, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. For my healthcare stocks, they both won. Johnson & Johnson, I gained $8.23, which is 3.03%. United Health Group, I gained $9.55, which is up 5.14%. I know there's only 2 stocks on my healthcare for now, and I may not even add any more in the future. I want to minimize my investing. So for healthcare this week, I gained $17.78, which is 3.89%. I did not earn any dividends. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Now let's go to my utilities, which consists 5% of my stocks slice. Nextra Energy, I gained $8.70, which is up 9.28%. WEC Energy, I gained $4.48, which is up 6.49%. Duke Energy, I gained $2.01, which is up 2.88%. So my biggest gainer from my utility stock is Nextra Energy, which is 9.28%. This is actually amazing because Nextra Energy has been losing this past weeks for me. For my utilities this week, I gained $15.19, which is up 6.53%. I did not earn any dividends. Let's go to my communication, which consists 5% of my stocks slice. Verizon, I gained $7.03, which is up 6.06%. Activision Blizzard, I lost 87 cents, which is down 1.51%. NetEase Incorporation, I gained $1.56, which is 2.85%. My communication did pretty well this week. My only loss is Activision Blizzard. 87 cents is not that bad. My communication this week, I gained $7.72, which is 3.38%. I did not earn any dividends. Let's go to the last 5% of my stocks slice, my energy. Chevron, I gained $2.53, which is 1.57%. Magellan Midstream Partners, I gained $1.52, which is up 2.21%. Same as healthcare, I may not add any more stocks on my energy, but unless I find a good one, then I'll think about it. Energy, I gained $4.05, which is 1.76% return. I did not earn any dividends. So just a warning, guys, just because my portfolio is doing well, I'm not a financial advisor, so do not copy the way I'm set up. Or you may, it's up to you, but just letting you know it's not my fault if you guys lose any money. Now let's go to my last slice, which is the no dividend. It consists 15% of my stocks slice. Tesla, I gained $2.59, which is 2.27%. Amazon, I gained 10 cents, which is 0.09% return. Google, I gained 90 cents, which is up 1.05%. Well, Shopify, that's a pretty big loss. I lost $7.24, which is down 8.09%. Netflix, I lost $1.04, which is 1.81%. Netflix is probably going down because everything is starting to finally open back up, and now people can actually go outside more and more. So I can see this maybe dropping more. Facebook, I lost $2.94, which is down 5.10%. Illumina, I gained 70 cents, which is up 2.44%. Dexcom, I lost $1.89, which is down 6.42% return. I can tell you right now, this no dividends slice loss this week. I have a pretty big loss from Shopify. But then again, $7 is not that bad. Alright, for my no dividend stocks, I lost $8.82 this week. My return is down 1.53%. As you guys can see, my stocks slice pretty much won this week. My only loser is my no dividend, which is only down 1.53%, which is not that bad. And my highest gainer this week is finance, which is up 7.09%. Alright, so for my stocks, I gained $151.57 this week, and the return is 3.18%. My earned dividends is $3.02. So I can say my stocks is A+ this week. Okay, now let's go to my real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. American Tower, I gained $13.12, which is up 6.49%. public storage, I gained $14.46, which is up 8.72%. Digital Realty Trust, I gained $8.10, which is up 5.71%. Welltower, I gained $3.48, which is up 5.96%. Well, real estate performed well this week, and my highest one was from public storage, which is 8.72%. For my real estate this week, I gained $39.16, which is up 6.89%, and I did not earn any dividends. So my last 5% of my pie, right now it's at 8.2% because I used to have bond at 10%. I reduce it because I want to concentrate more on my stocks, and maybe bonds, I'll increase this to 10, maybe higher whenever I'm getting old. But now I'm still pretty young, and I feel like I have a lot of energy. This 5% can stay for a while. So the only bonds that I have in my bond slice is Vanguard Total Bond Market. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna add any more bonds on this pie, but let's see how my Vanguard Total Bond Market performed this week. Of course, I gained $1.54, which is up 0.31%. For my bonds this week, I gained $1.54, which is 0.31% return. I did not earn any dividends. So that's it for my bonds. So as you guys can see, I won pretty much this week, which is a really good thing. Thanks to Monday to Wednesday, they kept going up, and it went down a little bit this last 2 days. So for this week, my moneymaker gained $192.27, which is 3.30% return. My earned dividends is $3.02. So I can finalize that my moneymaker was superb this week. I'll give it A+. 23 weeks and still counting. I'm still going strong. My goal is to reach 10,000 by the end of this year. So that's it for this week. So for you guys who are watching this and haven't been investing, I urge you to start investing and hopefully make more money. And if you decide to use M1 Finance, please use my link in the description below. I'll see you guys again next week. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.